Hey, welcome to my first ever episode of Cancel Talk. So, we know the famous Danielle Cohn and the not so kind Ethan Fair. We know that Danielle was in a very, very toxic relationship with Ethan, and they were dating for a long time until they broke up. The reason they broke up was because apparently Danielle got pregnant, which they posted her privacy on YouTube. Okay, Ethan did posted that they were pregnant, and they were so happy that she was buying baby clothes and all that stuff for the child. Then Danielle updates, a month later after she was posting these weird TikToks like fly high with a baby, and then an angel, which a lot of people who were smart were starting to assume she had an abortion, or the baby was a miscarriage or whatever, or she was pregnant. They knew that she was. And we thought that the pregnancy video was fake and it was just a prank on their parents because, Danielle was with many men. Well, not many men, but many men that were toxic and made her make these fake pregnancy videos out of her will. She was with Mikey Tua and they broke up. And then, so she went to Ethan, and then Ethan made her get an abortion. We figured that out because Danielle made a little YouTube explanation on why she was posting those videos and what actually went down during the breakup with Ethan Fair and her. Then a couple of months later, she was making these videos about Mikey, which Mikey was her ex. And then they met up and made TikToks together that were kind of relationship-wise. And she didn't admit to it until a couple months ago that they were dating again. What the heck? But I do want to say, Danielle, Miss Girl, I'm so sorry to hear about your abortion. I really hope you're doing okay, and I hope that you and Ethan are doing okay, I guess. But I really hope that you are healing from that, and I hope that you and Mikey are doing awesome. But thank you guys for watching this short little 2-3 minute video on TikTok. And I really hope that y'all subscribe because this is my first ever video and I hope I'm doing well so far, but I hope there's so much more to come. So thank y'all for watching. Let me just say, Ethan, you're canceled. Goodbye, have a nice day, and a Merry Christmas.